Trust Wallet has become one of the most popular crypto wallets. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive into this review to find out. First, what is Trust Wallet? It's a decentralized mobile-first wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrency and tokens. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and even NFTs, Trust Wallet designed to give you full control over your assets. One of its standout features is simplicity. The app is beginner-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes sending, receiving, and managing crypto straightforward. Even if you are new to crypto, you'll find it easy to navigate. Trust Wallet also shines in terms of compatibility. It supports over 4.5 million assets across more than 70 blockchains. Whether you're dealing with popular coins or niche tokens, Trust Wallet likely has you covered. Now let's talk security. Trust Wallet is non-custodial, which means your private keys are stored locally on your device, not on their servers. This gives you full ownership of your funds. However, this also means that you need to keep your recovery phrases safe. Lose it and you lose access to your wallet. What about extra features, you might ask? Trust Wallet comes with a built-in DApp browser, allowing you to interact with decentralized apps and DeFi platforms. It also includes staking options, so you can earn rewards directly from the wallet. As for drawbacks, while it's secure, the responsibility for managing your private keys can feel overwhelming for some users. So, is Trust Wallet worth it? If you're looking for a versatile, user-friendly, and secure mobile wallet, it's a fantastic choice. But if you need a desktop option or prefer custodial wallet for convenience, you might want to explore alternatives. Ultimately, Trust Wallet is a powerful tool for managing crypto on the go, but it's essential to weigh your needs and comfort level with security before diving in. Try it out and see if it's the right fit for you.